I wanted to show you a new Tecna tool balancer or tool retractor, which was created based on the needs of our customers, who often ask for a balancer with a capacity range of 3 to 5 kilograms, which is 6.6 to 11 pounds. A lot of balancers have a capacity range of 2 to 4 kilograms or 4 to 6 kilograms, with a lot of power tools falling right in between. So the new Tecna 9322L is a great addition. There are balancers with 3 to 5 kilogram capacity on the market, but they are often lower quality and not really fit for industrial applications. The balancer looks the same as the rest of the 932 series of Tecna balancers. The box contains a manual, a secondary suspension cable, and the balancer. The body is made out of aluminum. It has a 6.5 foot long stainless steel cable and a weight capacity of 6.6 to 11 pounds. It has symmetrical holes, making it easy to either suspend it or mount it for rigid applications. For example, if it needs to be built into a larger piece of equipment. Flat back of the balancer makes it easy to build it in as well. There is a big difference between Tecna products and retractors from some of the other manufacturers. Here I have a couple examples of retractors with the same weight capacity range. The metal one here has only one opening, allowing it to be suspended, but makes it much harder to mount it in a larger piece of equipment. It also has a shorter cable, 5.2 feet. The balancer doesn't operate very smoothly. We also get feedback from customers that the spring stretches and has to be constantly adjusted to sustain the weight of the tool attached to it. That doesn't happen with Tecna. The balancer works smoothly, the spring does not stretch, and lasts for a very long time. The plastic balancer does have a 6.5 feet cable, but again, operation is not very smooth. The materials it is made from do not last long. Plastic elements crack or wear out quickly. The weight adjustment knob starts slipping. The metal eye hook is screwed directly into the plastic cover and it can crack after a while and fall out. These two examples are not industrial solutions. Tecna products are high quality and a great choice for any manufacturing or industrial environment.